Hello friends, in today's session we will learn about git checkout command. Let's see what this git checkout command is used for. Now, as you can see, git checkout command have three distinct features: branch level operations, commit level operations, and file level operations. Now if you type the command git checkout branch name, it will check out the branch and make the entire working directory match that particular branch. Git checkout commit ID updates all the files in the working directory to match the specified commit. Git checkout commit ID file name check out the previous version of a file. This turns the current working directory file into the exact copy of the one from the commit ID and adds it to the staging area. Let's take the current branch. As you can see, we are on the master branch right now. Let's check the commit history by the command git log -one line. As you can see, we have 5 commits in the particular master branch. Let's try our first branch level operation by creating a new branch by command git checkout -b As you can see, it's saying switch to a new branch. This command creates a new branch and switch it by updating the index and the files in the working directory. Let's check in which branch we are in. As you can see, we are now switched to feature checkout branch. Let's check the commit history. Whatever the commit was there in master branch, all the commits have been updated to this feature branch also. Now we will look into commit level commands. For that, we will type git checkout and the commit ID. Let's take this as a commit ID where we have to roll back. As you can read, you are in a detached head. Now let me explain. Checking out this way is useful for inspecting an older version of a project. Whenever you check out any commit, this puts you in a detached head state. Be careful and do not add any commits to this detached head, else you will lose all the commits after checking out another branch, though you can create a new branch to this detached head. Now let me clear this and I will show you the list of commit history. As you can see, a 4th and the 5th commit ID and the commit message is not present into the commit history. And the branch is moved to head detach at whatever the commit where we wanted to roll back to that commit ID as a name. Now we will look into file level operations, but before doing that, let me add few changes into some files. Let me add how we do file label checkout get sessions checkout commands. Now you'll see status. We have a modified file too. Let's quickly add these changes by putting a message. Now let us check the status. There is nothing to commit on the particular branch. The working directory is clean. Check the commit history of the particular branch. As you can see, the checkout commit has been added to the commit history. Now if we want to roll back a particular file to an exact commit, we'll type git checkout commit ID and the file name. Oops, I entered a wrong file name. As you can see, whatever the lines we have added into the 6th commit, it's not there when we roll back to the particular commit, that was the 5th commit for the particular file. Instead of working on an entire snapshot, this command overrides changes into a single file in current head. This command turns the file into the exact copy of the one from the commit and adds it to the staging area, like we have seen it here. This is how we use checkout command to do operations on branch, commit, and the file label.